Every woman desires her man to be superb in bed. I'm sure you understood that. Similarly, every man wants to have a full, harder and sustained erection, which is the key to becoming her Superman. Before we proceed, take a moment to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and drop your comment at the comment section. Here are 8 easy, reliable and medically proven tips to a harder, sustained, and fuller erection. However, as a man advances in age, his ability to achieve a rock-solid full and sustained erection progressively decreases. On the other hand, many think a huge penis is what they need. The truth is, 95% of women don't necessarily want a huge penis, bro, and no woman will look your way, even when you drag about the world's biggest and longest penis, if you don't achieve a hard, full and sustained erection. So guys, let me show you 8 simple tips you probably have been neglecting that will make your joystick meet every woman's desire. 1. Eat healthy. Achieving a very hard and sustained erection is strictly connected to inadequate levels of the male hormone testosterone and blood flow. The blood flow is needed for the penis to become erect. Diets that include very few fruits and vegetables along with lots of fatty, fried, and processed foods can contribute to decreased blood circulation throughout the body and therefore leads to erection failure. Improve on your consumption of healthy fats from extra virgin oil, macadamia nuts, avocado, and coconut oil. Whey protein, whole eggs, oysters, and vegetables. These will ensure adequate blood flow and pressure and increase testosterone levels, which will in turn give you an enhanced sexual desire, drive and erection. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Much body fat isn't really good for you. The more body fats you have, the more you produce the female hormones, estrogen, and the less the male hormone, testosterone. Obesity has been shown to lower testosterone in men. An increase of 4 inches in waist size leads to a 75% chance of having low testosterone levels. Besides, being overweight can bring many health problems, including type 2 diabetes, which can cause nerve damage throughout the body. If the diabetes affects the nerves that supply the penis, erectile dysfunction can result. So what do you want to do? Shed them off. 3. Do moderate exercises. Most men will want to engage in vigorous exercises. But that is not what you need. Rigorous energy-sapping exercises increases the blood concentration of stress hormones such as cortisol, which directly reduces your testosterone level. All aerobic exercises such as sprinting, swimming, brisk walking, weightlifting, 3 to 4 times per week and many more is advised. All exercises should not exceed 30 to 40 minutes duration per day. Watch out for any form of exercise that puts excessive pressure on the perineum, which is the area between the scrotum and the us. Both the blood vessels and the nerves that supply the penis can be adversely affected from excessive pressure in this area. 4. Drink alcohol with moderation, if you can keep it red. Heavy consumption of alcohol dampens mood, decreases sexual desire, and makes it difficult for you to achieve good quality erections. I advise you only drink moderately. Take no more than 2 drinks a day, preferably red wine. In general, studies show that men who are dependent on alcohol have a 60 to 70% chance of suffering from sexual problems. The most common of these are erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and loss of sexual desire. The risk is even higher if you smoke as well. Nicotine content of cigarettes causes contraction of blood vessels, which can hamper blood flow to the penis. So it will be wise if you check your smoking habit too. 5. Have good sleep. Several studies have found links between erectile dysfunction and sleep loss. Researchers said over 70% of people who suffer sleep deprivation also have erectile dysfunction. In 2009, researchers demonstrated a relationship between sleep apnea, a sleep disorder which causes short pauses in breathing, and fragmented sleep and erectile dysfunction. Of those who were diagnosed with the disorder, 70% also had erectile dysfunction, which also improved on treatment for the sleep disorder. What will you want to do? I advise you sleep better. By sleeping better you get into deep REM sleep, which is all your body needs to maintain adequate hormone level. Aim for at least 6 hours a night, though 7 or 8 is ideal. Turn off your lights, put your phones off or simply put it on flight mode. All these help to optimize your hormone level. 6. Avoid anabolic steroids, take supplements instead. Anabolic steroids are often abused by athletes and bodybuilders. A lot of guys use it to help build a seemingly manly physique. But the bad news is, it can shrink the testicles and sap their ability to make testosterone. You are to cut them down. Dietary supplement which provides your body with essential minerals and vitamins lacking in most of our present-day food are advised. This will help you stay healthy and ultimately help you achieve harder, fuller, and sustained erection because healthier men tend to have healthier erections. 7. Control your blood pressure and cholesterol level. High cholesterol or high blood pressure can damage blood vessels, including those that bring blood to the penis. Eventually, this may lead to erection failure. Ensure you keep appointments with your doctor for routine cholesterol levels and blood pressure check. You might also want to check your blood pressure between doctor visits, so get yourself a blood pressure monitor for home use. If your cholesterol or blood pressure is out of whack, get it treated. Blood pressure drugs can make it hard to get an erection. But doctors say many cases of ED that get blamed on these drugs are actually caused by arterial damage resulting from high blood pressure, also called hypertension. 8. Reduce your stress. Psychological stress, physical stress and emotional stress boosts levels of the hormone adrenaline, which makes blood vessels contract. That can be bad news for an erection. Anything a man can do to ease tension and feel better emotionally is likely to give his sex life a big boost. As much as possible, learn to leave the office work challenges at your workplace. Lower your expectations and accept that there are events you cannot control. Ask others to help or assist you when it's necessary. Take responsibility for the situation. Engage in problem solving. Express distressing emotions. Be assertive instead of aggressive. Assert your feelings, opinions, or beliefs instead of becoming angry, combative, or passive. Maintain emotional composure and in emotionally supportive relationships. Challenge previously held beliefs that are no longer adaptive. Directly attempt to change or eliminate the source of stress. Eat and drink sensibly. Stop smoking or other bad habits. Exercise regularly and learn to take out time for relaxation. Maintain a healthy sense of self-esteem. Remember, coping is a process rather than an event. Thus, an individual may alternate between several of the above coping strategies in order to cope with a stressful event. Drop your comments and questions for our team of doctors and sexologists to provide you with the required response. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, MC Care Studio truly cares.